Hello, this is Instructor Powell. Today we're going to go over a Photoshop in-app exercise lab in the geometrics course. What we want to do is I already have my geometrics up, and I'm going to go ahead and click on my Photoshop course here for 2018, 2019, 2020. Once I click on that, it's going to bring up my course material. We're going to go over the in-app exercise lab under organizing documents. I'm going to go ahead and click on that in-app exercise lab. Once we click on that, it's going to bring up our in-app exercise lab screen. We already took the test 4 times. We're going to go ahead and take it again. So we're going to go ahead and click on retake test. Okay, and once the Geometrics SMSE dialog pops up, go ahead and click on Open Geometrics SMSE. Now, it will take a little while for this to launch, so be patient. Once it launches, the Photoshop workspace will pop up, and we'll begin our in-app exercise lab. All right, looks like it's getting ready to start up for us. There's our Adobe Photoshop window. In a minute, we're going to get our task for our in-lab exercise. Once you see this confirm settings dialog pop up, you can go ahead and read that and make changes if necessary, or just click on begin. And then we'll begin our task for this in-app exercise lab. All right, the first task we have is 1 of 5. It says load the selection named bird to create a non-destructive layer mask that reveals the bird selection so the background grass layer shows through. So I tell them all my students, always make sure that you open up all your layers first so that you make sure you click on the correct layer that you need to make a change to. So on this one, we're going to be loading the bird selection. So let's go ahead and click on the actual layer that has the bird in it. And we're going to go ahead and click on select and then select load selection. Then we'll get our load selection dialog box that's going to pop up in the channel area. We want to go ahead and change that to bird. Okay, and then just click OK. And once we do that, our bird will have the dance and ants around it. And now we want to go ahead and click on the mask, add layer mask option at the bottom of our layers. Once we do that, now we have our bird showing with the grass in the background as the question asks us to do. Go ahead and grade that question. Our task 2 of 5 says change the opacity of the Adventures logo layer to 30% and change the blending mode to multiply. So we want to go ahead and again open up our layers section, and we're going to actually make changes to the Adventures layers here. So we're going to go ahead and click on that layer, and then go ahead and type in your 30%. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and change the other item to multiply. Okay, all right, so at that point, we've finished that question, and we can go ahead and move on to our next one. So let's go ahead and click on grade. We're going to go to task 3 of 5. In this one, it says create a new layer group named icons and move both of the icon layers into the group. The layers that we're going to move into the icon layers is tent icon layer and the tree icon layer. So we're going to go ahead and again open up your layers panel, and we want to create a new layer group called icons. So we're going to go down here to the bottom. Now this one says, let's see here, that is create a new layer. We don't want to do that. We're going to create a new group. So we're going to click on this one, the folder there. Go ahead and double click the group word, and we want to change that to icons. Now make sure you actually change it correctly and don't enter it incorrectly, because it will count against you. So I'll go ahead and change that to icons. Okay, we got that done. Go ahead and click off of there. So now we have a new group called icons. We want to move the tent icon in there, and we'll move the tree icon in there. Okay, so both of those layers are in there now because we can see that they're indented underneath the icon layer. So we want to check and double check, make sure we have those in there. Go ahead and close the icons group layer. And we'll see that we have both the layers in there at that point. Okay, go ahead and click on grade. And our next task is task 4 or 5. It says hide all the layers except the grass layer. Okay, so again, if our layers is not open, we want to make sure we open the layers panel, and then we just want to hide the 2 layers by clicking on the eyeballs here next to them, and that'll hide those 2 top layers, and we only want to display the grass layer. Okay, all right, go ahead and create that task. Our last task is task 5 of 5. It says copy the layer style from the tent icon layer to the tree icon layer. So we want to copy the layer style from the tent icon layer to the tree icon layer. So again, we want to open up the layers panel, and we want to go to the tent icon layer, click on that, and go ahead, and then once you select it, right click and copy the layer, and then we want to take that and copy it to the tree icon layer. So we want to click on the tree icon layer this time, and now we want to go ahead and paste that layer style. Okay, once we do that, that completes the operation, and we can go ahead and create that task. That's all our tasks are done for this exercise lab. Go ahead and submit it. Okay, so we have that all submitted, and we can now go and look at our score, which is 1,000, and that's basically a superstar. All right, that's it for today. Enjoyed going over this in-app exercise lab for you in the Adobe Photoshop CC 2018 to 2020. Look forward to working with you on the next exercise lab.